Alrighty guys, here's another little walk along. This video is gonna be just packing up the fucking van. I'm not gonna do too much craziness, and it's just too much shit today. Of going to each stop or whatnot. I ain't gonna show that. Just show you when it's packed. This shit gets fucking packed. Ain't no room. It's the only little space that we got. We gotta make it work. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bring all the carts in to the back of the van, and then I'll be back when I gotta load them up and shit like that. Okay, so I got my carts. Here we go. I got 1 cart, 2 cart, 3 cart, 4 cart. Crazy. But it's time to fill this shit up. Whew, let's fill this shit up. Well, as y'all see, folks, this has been from the front to the fucking back. Y'all saw me, y'all couldn't even see me no more. Woo-wee! I ain't gonna record the rest of the day, but today's gonna be a fucking crazy ass Santa Claus day. If you smell me. Deliver it to children, old people, fucking young adults, lazy, rich, broke. We don't discriminate. This shit going down.